Have you ever looked back at a decision you made at 4 p.m. and thought, what was I thinking? We've discovered that 80% of founders and professionals are making expensive mistakes, not because they aren't smart, but because their brain is leaking energy. When you are stressed, your brain literally shuts down the part responsible for logic and switches to survival mode. Today, I'm showing you how to plug that leak and get your executive edge back. This is the simple fix for the mistakes that are costing you money and time. Think of your brain like a computer. Every email, every notification, and every quick question from a teammate is like opening a new tab. Eventually, the system slows down and then end up with what is called decision fatigue. And by the time you have to make a big choice in the afternoon, your logic center is exhausted. You start taking the easy path, not the right path. This is the cloudy brain tax, and it is the #1 reason smart people fail. So, how do we fix it? We use a circuit breaker. Just like your house has a switch to stop an electrical fire, you need a switch to stop a bad decision. Before you hit send on that angry email or sign that contract, you must pause for 10 seconds and ask one question. Is this an emotional reaction or a logical move? This 10-second gap allows your brain to switch from the stress center back to the logic center. It sounds too simple to work, but for a high performer, this gap is the difference between a win and a disaster. The best entrepreneurs treat their energy like a bank account. They don't spend what they don't have. This is where biometrics come in. If your recovery data, like your HRV, is low, you have a smaller mental budget for the day. On such days, you don't make big decisions. You wait. I've linked the 2026 Performance Tech Guide in the description to show you exactly how to track this so you never fly blind again. Let's clear your logic center right now. Sit up straight. We're going to do a 60-second reset to wipe the cloudy brain away. Follow the light. Breathe in deep. Hold it. Let it all out. Let's do it again, but make sure you're in a relaxed position. Breathe in deep. Hold it. Let it all out. That feeling of being awake? That is your logic center coming back online. Use this before your next big meeting or signing any big decision. Smart people don't work harder. They protect their ability to think. If you want more simple tools for your professional edge, subscribe to The Calm Work and check the links below for the tools we mentioned to help you stop the leak. Stay calm, stay sharp. I'll see you in the next session.